Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Leo fire sign for the month of October. This is weekly reading and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, Leo. What is your current situation in your love life? So let's see your first card. Wow, Magician. Two of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles. I think you are manifesting something in your life, the Magician. You are manifesting the love Pentacles, Leo, but maybe you are juggling between things. And Three of Pentacles, I think there is no collaboration between you and your person for some, and for some you want to work on this relationship. You are manifesting your person back again in your life because you want to work on this relationship now, or for some your person want to work on this relationship. Energy could be vice versa. Okay, let's see some more. Knight of Wands, Five of Cups. Yes, for some there is separation. Ace of Cups. Yeah, for some there is separation between both of you. Ace of Cups, Five of Cups and a Knight of Wands. Yeah, you maybe want to go towards your person or your person want to come towards you. Knight of Wands. There is a lot of passion between both of you. Yeah, your person will come towards you very passionately. Knight of Wands. But Knight's one problem, they are in and out your life, because Knight energy is in and out our life. So if your person want to come towards you but they are in and out of your life, that is the issue, because your person may be juggling between things. Ace of Cups, definitely love is there but some confusion. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Swords. Yeah, your person energy may be sneaky. The Hangman. Yes, maybe your person maybe lied to you, cheated on you, because Seven of Swords is sneaky energy, because they are in and out your life. They are not loyal to, they have many options. I think you work on this relationship but your person not putting as much as effort as you put in this connection. There is no equal give and take. The Hangman, I think your person maybe undergo some spiritual awakening. Your person stuck right now. I think the one person who giving, sharing and in this connection is you, Leo. Energy could be vice versa. Ten of Pentacles, the Devil. Yes, the World. Yeah, some cycles are going to be end between both of you. The Devil energy, the Ten of Pentacles, the World. Definitely stability. This could be long distance relationship also. You and your person may be in long distance relationship. And the Devil, your person may be addicted to some bad habits, because the Devil with Seven of Swords. Definitely your person is sneaky. I think your person want to come towards you again. Please take right decision before giving another chance to your person, because your person Knight of Wands, he is not king. Knight of Wands means it's very, he is in and out your life, but you want stability in your connection. But your person may be addicted to some bad habits. They are obsessed with you but they are in and out your life. So let's pull your person energy, what they are up to, Leo. Then we will get clarity. Your person energy right now. Aloneness, Hermit. Yes, they are spiritually awakening. Your person could be Virgo. Traveling, Eight of Wands. Going with the flow. Ace of Cups two times. Definitely your person loves you. I think they, once they spiritually awaken, definitely they will communicate you some communication. They want to communicate you, going with the flow. Definitely they love you. There is no doubt. There is love. I think after the transformation, new person maybe realize your worth and want to reconcile with you, because their love for you is overflowing. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Leo. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Guilt. Yes, they are stuck right now. Possibilities, Two of Wands. The Fool. Yeah, they want new beginning with you. They are seeing for the possibilities to come towards you. They are thinking about the possibilities to come towards you. They are waiting for the right time to come towards you. Because the Fool, they want reconciliation with you and they want new beginnings with you. But it's up to you to give another chance to your person or not. Because in past your person sneaky, lied to you or cheated on you, or some, that could be third party also, depending upon, for some it could be the misunderstandings. But your person want reconciliation with you. They are waiting for the right moment. In near future, definitely they are stuck. Guilt, they are feeling very guilt. 8 of Swords, they are stuck. But they are seeing for the right time and they are seeing for the possibilities to come towards you and to ask to start a new beginning with you. The Fool. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sag, lot of fire energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy also here, air energy, 7 of Swords. I think some cycles are going to be ended between both of you, and your person want to collaborate with you. They want to work on this relationship this time. And the juggling, 2 of Pentacles. I think they decided to be with you. They realize you both I'm getting. That's why they want this Fool, new beginnings with you. Yeah, I think in near future you will get communication, because they are thinking about communication. 8 of Wands, going with the flow. Definitely you will get some communication from your person. And so let's pull some cards from the universe regarding the connection, where it is headed. Connection cards, Leo. The Sun. Wow. 2 of Cups. Wow. Positive end. Positive ending, happy ending. The Moon. And the last card for the connection, the Star. Yes, I think there are some misunderstandings between both of you, but they are going to be resolved. Definitely the Moon, you person could be Pisces particularly, and the Star, Aquarius also. I think there is hope. You both still hoping for this connection, because you both happy with each other and you both love each other equally. 2 of Cups is here, and your connection is protected by the angels. Definitely I think you both end up with each other again. There will be reconciliation, definitely, because it is positive ending, happy ending. Definitely Leo, if you give another chance to your person, I think there is a positive ending and happy ending for some. For some it's up to you, totally depending upon your situation, because this is general reading, may not resonate to all. And the Moon with Star, definitely I think one person may not accept the offer, but the other person still hoping for this connection. The Star, here the Star. So a lot of water energy is here. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your energy, Leo. Yeah, 7 of Wands, you are in defensive mode. Definitely if your person is sneaky, really you know about your person, definitely you are defensive against your person. Definitely you defend yourself. Definitely you don't want to give another chance. This is your energy. Let's see your person energy. Isolation. Yeah, they are heartbroken. They are isolated themselves. They are feeling isolated without you. This is your person energy, Leo, because you put a lot of effort in this connection, but your person not. That's why there is separation. 5 of Cups, your person feeling very sad, but now they want reconciliation. Now they want you back, but it's up to you, because it's decision time. You have to make right decision. depending upon your situation. Because your person feeling guilt and they want to communicate you, definitely will get communication from your person, and you have to decide what to do, what not to do. But you also love your person because Two of Cups is here. But end of the day, honesty is the matter. So Leo, this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.